The Tre Spade TC-22 Inox/80 meat grinder is characterized by a construction primarily made of stainless steel, boasting unmatched durability and resistance. Key parts such as the body, propeller, ring, hopper, and the motor cover made of stainless steel symbolize sturdiness. The plate and knife, also in stainless steel, are equipped with a self-sharpening mechanism ensuring maximum efficiency for the meat grinder. The base is also made of stainless steel. A distinctive feature of the meat grinder is its 3-position switch, a detail that sets it apart by allowing reverse operation. The meat grinder features a single-phase asynchronous induction motor, guaranteeing smooth and uninterrupted operation. With a power of 600 watts, equivalent to 0.80 HP, it operates at a voltage of 220 volts and a frequency of 50 Hz. The propeller reaches a speed of 80 revolutions per minute, with an hourly production of about 160 kg. The design is conceived for excellent management and maintenance, making it easy to dismantle. In conclusion, weighing 17 kg and measuring 23 by 49 by 43 centimeters, the Tre Spade embodies a combination of robustness and compactness.